really what differentiates HubSpot from other CRMs in the market?
Yeah, well, it's extremely usable. That's the thing that always comes to my mind, and a lot of people's minds who use it. That just makes such a difference in getting your team up to speed, and frankly, getting adoption across your team. So that's huge. Also, they have a great training resources library. Getting up to speed on HubSpot is not only easy because of the user experience, but because of the great materials that they provide you for training. What else?
I'll echo that. The HubSpot Academy, the courses that they provide are extensive, and they go beyond just not only how to use HubSpot and get the most out of it as a platform, but they really do deep dives into digital marketing and how, successful execution, best practices, key concepts. So it's very, very comprehensive. It's great training, and something that, and a good amount of it is actually available on their blog for free. And they make a lot of their courses, sort of top level courses, available at no charge. So it's definitely a resource worth checking out.
For me, the key differentiator is cost beyond the ease of use. HubSpot is really great, very extensible, and has a really nice pay-as-you-go model, or pay-as-you-grow rather, where you start out with the CRM for free, and you can tack on these hubs that they have, the CMS hub, sales hub, service hub, the marketing hub. So really, you can tailor it to your needs quite nicely, and it allows for really tight integration across those products.